Welcome. Welcome back to my channel Conquer the Fear. In this video we are going to discuss about the real coding interview questions asked in one of the interview. So the person attended Synchron Technologies interview. After the core basic questions or the other questions, interviewer has asked him to write a sample code where he was given a problem statement where he was asked to write a code. The interviewer wanted to understand what is this particular approach and how you can solve it using the Java 8. So in this two purpose, he got an understanding whether this particular person knows Java 8. Second, he has got the problem solving skills. Or this going to be the Java 8 version series. I had made another video of same using the normal without Java, that is prior to Java 8 version. If you want to look out that particular solution, please check out my playlist. Now let us try to look at the problem statement. Now if you take a look at this, here the question is like what is the duplicate characters in the string if it is provided. Let's say the programming is provided, the output should be this one because it is repeated more than once. Now if you have not looked my normal Java program, please check out my playlist. Now let's try to solve this particular method in using the Java 8 features. So I would be requiring first the string which we are going to pass it as an input over here. Now secondly, I will try to create one method, find duplicate character string Java 8 version. Now this is what actually I'm going to pass this particular value to it. Now let's try to create one method with the same name. So public static void this method which will take string as an argument over here. Now if you take a look at this one, now we'll first try to convert this as Java 8 make use of Java strings. So what I will do, I will first convert it into the characters, then based on this I'm going to, if you see this is going to return the character in stream over here. Now if you take a look at this, I will going to map this particular thing to the object, so where I will map it to the exact character object over here. So what I will do, I will cast it to the character, and then ultimately I will collect it to the, now I will not collect it to the collectors, I will group it by it because I wanted to find using the count of it. So here actually what I will do, I will actually pass the, there is one method called collectors where I will be able to count. So here if you see what I have done here, I've taken that particular character string, then converted into that particular character, and then for each of this I'm trying to grouping it by the character. So I'm going to get that particular count. So here I'm trying to get a map out of it which is going to be the character and the long. So here it will return character and long over here because I'm trying to get the count over here. So I'm going to character count map over here. Now let me try to import this class. Now if you see, this is what exactly it is returning. Then now what I will do, based on this particular character count map, I will just write a code to get the maximum number of, so more than one characters which has been repeated, I will try to get that. So in order to do that, I will have to pass through that particular entry stream, then I have to make it, convert it to a stream, then I can filter here. So based on this filter, what I will do, I will just write entry and then entry dot get value. Now if it is greater than 1, what I will do, I will try to print this. So this is what the simple way to do that. Now let me try to print this out. Now if you see, I have to get that particular key over here. So in this way, I'm getting all this particular character which are greater than 1. Now as I've completed this particular logic, I have to run this particular program to see whether this is giving the correct output or not. Now if you see, this is giving you the correct output. So the duplicate keys which are there in this particular string is being completed, and it is showing that using the Java 8 features. If this video was helpful, please share it with the needy people. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.